Do you know how to talk in the street in English? What do you say when crossing the street or looking for a taxi? Today, I will teach you 20 important sentences that will make your navigation easier. Don't miss it. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station? Is this the way to the city center? Is this the way to the city center? Be careful when crossing the street. Be careful when crossing the street. Wait for the green light before crossing. Wait for the green light before crossing. Use the crosswalk for safety. Use the crosswalk for safety. The traffic light is red. We have to wait. The traffic light is red. We have to wait. Look both ways before crossing. Look both ways before crossing. Watch out for cars and bicycles. Watch out for cars and bicycles. Follow the street signs to find your way. Follow the street signs to find your way. Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi? How much is the bus fare? How much is the bus fare? Does this bus go to the airport? Does this bus go to the airport? What time is the next train? What time is the next train? Excuse me, can you help me find this address? Excuse me, can you help me find this address? I'm looking for a nearby coffee shop. I'm looking for a nearby coffee shop. The road is closed. We need to take another way. The road is closed. We need to take another way. There is a lot of traffic today. There is a lot of traffic today. Let's take a shortcut to save time. Let's take a shortcut to save time. I think we are lost. Let's ask for directions. I think we are lost. Let's ask for directions.